What we're installing today is a primary sump pump and a secondary backup sump pump. Comes with the Pro Series 2400 battery backup system. If the power were to go out, this system would kick on and run the backup sump pump, and it runs when it's brand new with the battery for approximately 12 hours of runtime. That doesn't mean 12 straight hours, that means 12 hours of on-offs, and that could be over the course of weeks or even months if the power weren't to go on, as long as the pump is running. There's also the primary pump that will run and keep the house from flooding, but this is primarily for the finished basement that we're in. This will help stop any issues if the power were to go out, and it would stop the flood from happening. So with this system, it is set up, ready to run. We actually have it on and it is charging. If the system were to go into failure mode, it shows battery at 100 or 75, 50, or down to 25%. It does have a built-in alarm which sounds with a loud beep if the backup were to go off. So it's not just going to turn on and not warn you, it will allow you to know that there is an issue and for you to address it. And chances are you're going to know that your power's off. But if you didn't know, and say the main pump were to fail, the backup turns on, this is a good system where it allows you to know that the backup system is turned on, and you haven't lost power, so that will allow us to come out and check it. Or if it's something that a rock got jammed in there or some debris, we can clear it out. Or if the age of the pump has exceeded the life expectancy, then we can go ahead and replace it. So Pro Series 2400 primary and battery backup submersible pumps.